Hi everybody, welcome to the ActivityBox training video. Today's called Getting Started and we're going to be looking at how to access the system. Since ActivityBox lives online, you need to connect to the internet using Internet Explorer browser, which is here on your start menu. So click on Internet Explorer, and the first thing you want to do is to make sure that you're using the latest version of Internet Explorer. So click on the Help button here and choose About Internet Explorer, and it will show you the current version that you have. You need to be using version 7 or 8. If you're using an older version of Internet Explorer, then you can click on the Microsoft Corporation link here, and then you can choose to upgrade to the latest version. ActivityBox currently only works with the Internet Explorer on a PC computer. We will be launching the new version shortly, which will be working across multiple browsers including Mozilla and Safari, but for the moment please only use Internet Explorer version 7 or 8. Okay, so on my Internet Explorer I'm going to type in the URL address for my training site, which is http://test.activitybox.ca. Then I'm going to click Enter or Go, which is going to open up ActivityBox for me. So you'll see ActivityBox opens up in the full screen of your computer. This is done on purpose. You will see that you no longer have navigational buttons at the top of your internet browser. Again, this is done on purpose. Because ActivityBox is a transactional website, we want you to use the embedded navigation buttons in the system rather than the browser buttons. So here on the login page, you're going to enter your username and password, but first let's look at a few of the pieces of functionality here on the login page. You may have a different picture every time you log in, that's normal. And here at the bottom you can read your customers' privacy policies, how to contact Resact and ActivityBox. Here you can choose, once you've entered in your username, you can click this forgotten password and ActivityBox will automatically send to your email a new temporary password which will allow you to log in. You can choose to add to favorites ActivityBox to save you having to type the URL address in all the time. And here you can read that it explains you need to use Internet Explorer version 7 or higher, and the best resolution for your PC screen is 1024 by 768. These are recommendations. The terms of use of using the system is under this link here. So now I'm going to log in and I'm going to respect the capital letters. I'll make sure there's no spaces at the end of my username or password, and then I click sign in. The first page we come to when we access ActivityBox is our Profile Message Center page. The system recognizes who you are, and it tells you what your current sales are so far this month. These are the sales that you've personally made in the system. It gives you your current ranking at your location, so if you work in a team with other staff, then you'll be ranked according to your sales. This is the Message Center, and you should always check in case you've got any new messages every time you log in. New messages will always appear in orange, and to read them you just click on the message and it will open up the message dialog box where you can read any messages. To reply to the person who sent you the message, you can click reply here, or you can choose to reply to them later on straight from the message center by selecting the reply button. Once you've read a message, you might want to delete it by clicking the delete button, or if ever you wish to send a message to anybody, you can just click compose new, which will open up this message dialog page, which allows you to then select people from the user network here at the Tremblant region. You can click using your keypad on your computer to multi-select individuals and click add, or you can click and hold your shift button to select everybody to remove. So if I do a quick test message, I'm going to send hi and click send. Now to send a message to me, the system administrator, you will find me under system administrator. So you just choose somebody on the list, click S, and you'll see system administrator Craig Ewart. Choose to add me and then send me a message if you need any help with anything. So once you've checked your messages, you then click enter to access the main system. And you'll come straight to the main booking page. So you can see here on the main booking page we have 4 main navigational buttons here at the top of the screen. If you can't see the pull down lists when you put your mouse over the main navigational buttons, it's because you're not using the latest version of Internet Explorer. You need to upgrade to Internet Explorer version 7 or 8. Here at the top we have some links for you. You can click on help, which will give you access to the training videos. You can click Profile, which will take you back to your Message and Profile Center, or you can click Log Out. Activity Box recognizes who you are and puts your company logo if you have one here, and it also registers your username. Now if you work in a group of people, you can very quickly switch between other people who work with you in your environment, and this saves you having to log in and log out again if you're sharing the same computer. Activity Box is live, so it knows what day and time it is, and here it gives us the main search options, which are search by date, search by operator, or search by season, product and activity. These are the main search categories in order for you to find reservations, and we'll be looking at them on the next video.